Hey guys, the development team has made some nice improvements to the product list import or batch insert products. It's amazing what they've done, and I wanted to share that with you because the previous video doesn't cover some of this, and I want to make sure you guys fully understand that this is available. Okay, so we want to import these, I don't know what you call it, Excel sheets for these masonry blocks. Okay, so what I want to do is I have these normal 5 columns. Okay, I needed to make new custom properties that would go into my products. Okay, and we'll look at that, but I want to be able to just copy this and paste it right in. Okay, so we're going to go over here and take a look at our list. We have no list here for the masonry block, so I went in ahead of this video and I made these properties. Okay, and I want to show you I made an unwanted for a reason, because when you create these custom properties at the product level, then they're going to show up in your batch insert, and that's causing some confusion. So we kind of want to cover that, but we have the the length, the width, and the height here, and they are set as a products and items, so they'll show up in that batch insert products category. Okay, so let's go ahead here and we're going to start a new list. We'll go with new list and let's call it block. Oh, it'd help if I spell it right. All right, and hit save. All right, so now we're ready to insert that. Okay, but my list is a little different. Okay, so I have an unwanted property here, and my list is out of order. So if you want, you can take this unwanted property and move it around. You can move any of those around, so you don't have to rearrange your Excel necessarily. You can just rearrange your batch insert products columns here. But I want to get rid of this. I don't want to see it, so I'm going to hit choose columns. I right click and choose column and get rid of that unwanted property. Now it's still going to be there in your parts on your products when you bring it in, because that's the way it's built. It's a property that was set for all products and items, but we don't want to see it here. So now when I'm done, I can go ahead and hit add products. Okay, oh, I got to copy them. Let's go ahead and Control V. Okay, and now we have them all ready. We can go ahead and hit add products, and we have them here, and they're going to show up. Now we still have that unwanted, because even though we got rid of it in the column, it just didn't set any properties there, or no product information. All right, so we have everything we need to start measuring masonry block. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Reach out if you have any questions through chat or through the community. Okay, have a good day.